How to make AI cover songs with your voice. Title: Unleashing Your Inner AI Singer. Creating AI cover songs with your voice. Welcome to today's exciting tutorial on creating AI cover songs with your very own voice. In this 3-minute video, we will show you how to use cutting-edge AI technology to turn your vocal talent into mesmerizing AI-generated cover songs. So, grab your microphone and let's get started. Step 1: Collecting your vocal samples. The first step is to record your voice singing the cover song you'd like to recreate with AI. Use a good quality microphone and try to record in a quiet environment to capture clear audio. Sing with emotion and enthusiasm, just as you would in a live performance. Ensure you have separate recordings for each section of the song, such as verses, chorus, and bridge. Don't worry about background music. The AI will take care of that. Step 2: Selecting an AI platform. There are various AI platforms available that specialize in generating AI cover songs. Some popular options include OpenAI, Google Magenta, and Jukedeck. These platforms use powerful machine learning algorithms to analyze your vocal samples and generate a backing track that complements your voice perfectly. Step 3: Uploading your vocal samples. Once you've selected your AI platform, it's time to upload your vocal samples. Follow the platform's instructions to ensure accurate processing. The AI will analyze your voice's pitch, tone, and rhythm to create a customized backing track that seamlessly integrates with your vocals. Step 4: Customizing your AI cover song. After the AI has processed your vocal samples, it's time to customize your cover song. Most AI platforms allow you to tweak the style, tempo, and instrument arrangement. Experiment with different options to achieve the sound you desire. You can even add harmonies or adjust the overall mood of the song. Step 5: Download and share your AI masterpiece. Once you're satisfied with your AI cover song, it's time to download and share your masterpiece with the world. Save the final audio file and consider creating a captivating video to go along with it. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the power of AI to create awe-inspiring cover songs using your voice. Embrace this revolutionary technology to explore new musical horizons and let your creativity soar. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and AI is here to complement and amplify your musical talent. So, sing your heart out and make your mark in the world of AI-generated music. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe for more videos by AI.